Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Fridge Friends, reporting live from your fridge. My name is Betty Banana, and I am here to tell you all about your food plate today. This is a food plate that you encounter every day at the lunch table at school or at dinner at home. This is a very special plate though. It's a little bit different. It's called My Plate. Not my plate, but your plate. Here to help me better explain this My Plate today is my good friend Pizza Piper. Hey Piper.
Hey Betty.
Thanks for joining me today.
No problem.
Would you mind helping me explain where this lovely picture of this My Plate comes from?
Why, of course. As I said before, this picture is a picture of an example of My Plate. And it's a diagram of all the foods that you can find in your very own cafeteria. As you can see, there are 5 different categories on this plate. There is the fruits, the vegetables, the proteins, the grains, and the dairies. And all of these foods can be found right in your very own school cafeteria.
Although it may not seem like there's a lot of options for your plate, these 5 categories cover a wide variety of food options. Vegetables and grains cover the largest area on your plate and are most important to your diet. Veggies are natural and include items like carrots, corn, celery, potatoes, green beans, and generally any food that's the color green. Grains can be found in any kinds of bread or pasta. The other 2 items that are important to your plate are fruits and protein. Fruits include bananas, apples, strawberries, grapes, cantaloupe, and so many more. Proteins are typically meat items, such as chicken, beef, pork, and fish. Proteins can also be found in nuts, beans, and eggs as well. As you can see, the dairy is the smallest portion on your plate, and is shaped to look like a glass of milk. Milk is a dairy product that is rich in calcium and is essential to building strong bones. However, to maintain a nutritious meal, any item containing milk, such as cheese, should be made from fat-free or low-fat milk. Butter is a dairy as well, but should be avoided since it is high in fat and not very healthy.
But Betty, where is the dessert? Where am I?
Many desserts are known as empty calories. Empty calories are foods that don't really provide any nutritional value. Instead, they increase our solid fat and sugar intake, which is what we're trying to avoid. Fats and sugars are better when they are found naturally and not added. Desserts are not the only foods that are considered empty calories. Sodas, energy drinks, juice boxes often contain added sugars too. Pizza, cheese, fried foods, and many pork products such as bacon and sausage contain fats and should not be a part of your plate.
Unfortunately, I'm not a food that you should be eating very often. I am packed with solid fats that are not very good for you. But I can be made healthier for you by using things like low-fat cheese.
Now that we know what foods are best for us, we now need to know how much we can eat. A good rule of thumb is to always eat when you're hungry, but stop eating once you're satisfied. Eating too much can make you feel tired and increase your weight.
Changing your diet to reflect My Plate can have an amazing impact on your day. Making nutritious choices in the lunch line and eating only until you're satisfied gives you more energy and therefore allows you to have more fun!
To prove this point, I challenge my good friend here to a friendly competition.
A what? I did not sign up for this.
Today, we're going to get active outdoors at our local gym, and we're going to keep in mind how these foods affect our energy.
Oh gosh, whatever you say.
Time to start my day. Let's go. that's all the time we have today. Thank you for...
Oh,
hey.
Hey, Betty. I've just been working out and getting rid of these carbs, burning them off and stuff.
Well, okay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Fridge Friends.
Bye!
But before we go, remember to complete your plate at lunch today and make really good, healthy choices. It's your turn to try your hand at a healthy, active lifestyle. See you later.